Hello, my name is Shiwei Willie Wu, and I'm a composer performer from Los Angeles, California. Today I'm sharing a tune that I've recorded with a friend of mine, Ryan Rost, a jazz bassist, and I'm playing the shakuhachi, a Japanese flute. It is a rendition of a Japanese folk tune called Kokiriko Bushi. This video is submitted as part of hashtag the Universal Language. It is an online collaborative project that calls for all artists to contribute to the act of sharing as a way to combat against xenophobia and fear after the attack in Paris and Beirut and other parts of the world. The reason why I picked this particular tune, Kokiriko Bushi, was that it was a gift given to me along with this instrument, the shakuhachi, by my taiko teacher, Reverend Tom Kulai. When I got into grad school at UC Irvine, I was given a chance to study with a shakuhachi player down in that university. Because of that, my teacher, Reverend Tom, decided to give me this instrument as a gift to learn more about Japanese music. Kokiri Kobushi has become sort of my gateway to learn more about Japanese culture and also its music. And through that, I was able to share this music with lots of friends and play with amazing musicians like mingo singers and shamisen players because of this particular tune. And in turns, I want to share to all of you as a way that I'm giving it back to Reverend Tom Kulai and other Japanese musicians that I have the chance of playing with. At last, I want to invite all of you again to participate in this project. Remember to share a video that's within 5 minutes or around 5 minutes. I know this one is a little longer than that, but using the hashtag, the universal language. Thank you, and hope to see your videos.